All right, today I'm doing a video on how I replace my LG ThinQ air filter for my refrigerator. So I purchased through this through the LG website. I actually have pre-order every 6 months, both the air filter and the water filter, and you get a pretty good discount if you set up for automatic order every 6 months, which works fine for me. Anyway, so I've already removed the filter from the package in the plastic, and then you'll see that you're gonna wanna flip this around and it'll say front. So this is the front of the water filter. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this right here for a moment. We're gonna go to our refrigerator. And the air filter is this guy. So if you look at it, I don't know if this will show. Okay, there it says close, going down, open. So you go to the left, sorry guys, you go to the left this way to open it up, and you go the opposite way to close it. So what it's saying is you're gonna go down like this. Kind of did it fast, but basically you're gonna wanna swing down to remove it, and when we put it back, we're gonna go the opposite way. So in the back, this is how your filter looks. So we'll go ahead and take it back here. Oops, you're gonna wanna remove. And then remember, this is the front, and your fridge will yell at you for taking so long. There, we got the new filter in. And here we go. Then we're gonna just go ahead and set it back. And remember, we're gonna put it at an angle like this, and we're just gonna turn it. See? Now that is nice and tight. There's your air filter. Reminder, just the water filter is here. I have a video on that and how to replace that if you need to know. Anyway, so our air filter's here. We're gonna close the fridge, and then you're gonna wanna reset the air filter notification. This is your water filter. This is where your notification will be. As you see, the air filter is flashing, replace filter. Just gonna hold, after you replace it, you're just gonna hold this and hold it for about 5 seconds. And then it's done. That just is a reminder to remind you to order and replace your air filter. Hope this video helped you. Have a great day.